बोलो भक्त वत्सल भगवान की जय। बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। जय श्री राम everyone. Let us join in a few स्तुति प्रार्थना आवाहनम to भगवान श्री रामचंद्र this morning. श्री ओम नमः परमहंसास्वादित चरण कमल चिन्मकरंदाय भक्त जन मानस निवासाय श्री राम चंद्राय कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखा वन्दे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम् आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसंपदा लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। श्रीरामचंद्र चरणो मनसा स्मरामि श्रीरामचंद्र चरणो वचसा गृह्णामि श्रीरामचंद्र चरणो शिरसा नमामि श्रीरामचंद्र चरणो शरणं प्रपद्ये। बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। एक बार सभी प्रेम से बोलिए जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम। All the people sitting very comfortably on the chairs, I don't hear your voices. Let me hear you say Jai Shri Ram. Who is sitting the most comfortably should speak the loudest. Today, on Sunday mornings, we normally read Shrimad Bhagavad Mahapuran, but our Yajman requested Bhagavan Shri Ram Katha, and they're celebrating birthdays plus anniversary. So we're changing our rule for them this morning. Let us join in a beautiful bhajan to Bhagavan Shri Ramachandra, मनवाणी को पावन करने के लिए। मूर्ति अति प्यारी ओ राम जी की,
अति प्यारी ओ राम जी की,
सुरति बनी प्यारी ओ राम जी की, सुरति
अति प्यारी ओ राम जी की,
मूर्ति अति प्यारी ओ राम जी की।
अति प्यारी ओ राम जी की।
हाल विशाल तिलक जुतिराजे
हाल विशाल तिलक दुचियारे
भाल विशाल तिलक जुतिराजे
हाल विशाल तिलक रुचियारे
तिलक जुतिराजे तिलक जुतिराजे
तिलक द्युतिराजे तिलक द्युतिराजे
ओ तिलक जुतिराजे
तिलक द्युतिराजे
नयन रत नारी ओ राम जी की मूर्ति अति
प्यारी ओ राम जी
चंद्र बदन सिर मुकुट विराजे
बदन सिर मुकुट विराजे
चंद्र बदन सिर मुकुट विराजे
चंद्र बदन सिर मुकुट विराजे
हाँ मुकुट विराजे राम मुकुट विराजे
मुकुट विराजे रामा मुकुट विराजे
कुंडल छवि भारी ओ राम जी की कुंडल छवि
बिहारी
ओ राम जी मूर्ति अति प्यारी ओ राम जी की
मूर्ति अति प्यारी ओ राम जी
राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
राम राम राम सीता राम राम राम
ओ राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
राम राम राम सीता राम राम राम
ओ राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
राम राम राम सीता राम राम राम
ओ राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
राम राम राम सीता राम राम राम
ओ राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
ओ राजा राम 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 सीता राम राम राम
राजा राम राम राम
सीता राम 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 बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय एक बार और प्रेम से बोलिए जय श्री राम
जय श्री राम
When our Yajman requested Bhagavan Sri Ram Katha this morning, so I thought during Navratri, when we were reading the Bal Leela of Bhagavan Sri Ram, there was one Katha that I had to skip because we didn't have the time. So I thought that this morning we will bring to you this Leela, which is very famous. Bhagavan Sri Ram, he is still a little baby. He has just been born. Ayodhya has just finished celebrating for 6 months. Surya Narayan Bhagavan, he spent 6 months in the sky. And finally, as they have completed this grand celebration, Mata Yashoda Raja Dasharath, इनके आनंद के ठिकाना नहीं है. Such happiness they get from Bhagavan Sri Ram, Bharat, Lakhan और शत्रुघ्न. तुलसीदास जी कहते हैं सुख संदोह मोह पर ज्ञान गिरा गोतीत दंपति परम प्रेम बस कर शिशु चरित पुनीत, सुख संदोह मोह पर ज्ञान गिरा गोतीत. The happiness that Bhagavan Sri Ram brings to the home of Raja Dasharath or Mata Kaushalya. They have been trying for many years to have children. And finally, in his old age, Raja Dasharath, अब गृहस्थ आश्रम में बीत गए, वानप्रस्थ आश्रम में थे. He is in the third stage of his life, and finally Bhagavan Shri Vishnu blesses him that he will come into his home. Those who get children very late in life, they can understand this param sukh of seeing these little babies play in your home. Tulsidas ji कहते हैं, एहि विधि राम जगत पितु माता.
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम.
एहि विधि राम, एहि विधि राम जगत पितु माता.
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम.
कौशलपुर बासिन सुखदाता. श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. श्री राम जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. एहि विधि राम जगत पितु माता. In the Doha before this, Tulsidas ji says, Kar Shishu Charita Puneet. As Bhagavan Sri Ram plays at being a little baby, he wants to remind us कि ये Parabrahma hai. Ehi Vidhi Ram Jagat Pitu Mata. Even though he is here as a little child and he is crying for food, he is crying for milk, behaving like a shishu, like a little baby. हमें भूलना नहीं चाहिए. We should never forget that. राम जगत पितु माता. पूरा जगत के पिता है, पूरा जगत की माता है. कौशलपुर बासिन सुखदाता. कौशलपुर बासिन सुखदाता. कौशलपुर means the city of Ayodhya. एक बार एक शिष्य ने गुरुदेव से पूछे कि भगवान, it is said that Bhagavan Sri Ram loves Ayodhya Vasi, Kausalapur Vasi. He loves them more than he loves anyone else. But we were not fortunate to have been born in Awadh, to have been born in Kaushal Desh. तो गुरुदेव ने कहा बहुत अलग अलग प्रकार की अयोध्या वासी है. There are many different types of अयोध्या वासी, कौशल वासी. How many of you have been to Ayodhya? Raise your hands. Even if you have only been to Ayodhya one time in your life, raise your hands. Only a few people. Okay. Not many of you have been to Ayodhya, but all of you look like you're retired already. What are you doing with your free time? Make your sankalp you want to visit Ayodhya this year. Gurudev कहते हैं, the first type of Ayodhya Vasi, those who have visited Ayodhya at least once. Obviously, those who are born in Ayodhya, वो भी Ayodhya Vasi है. तो शिष्य कहते हैं, if we are not able to visit Ayodhya, so how can we become Ayodhya Vasi? Gurudev कहते हैं, those who constantly think about Bhagavan Sri Ram, those who constantly listen to his katha about when he was in Ayodhya, those who constantly sing his name, वो भी Ayodhya Vasi है. तो बंधुओं, today, if you know that you enjoy the katha of Bhagavan Sri Ram, if you know that you enjoy the Leela of Bhagavan Sri Ram, by constant listening to his name, आप भी अयोध्या वासी बन सकते हो. प्रेम मगन कौशल्या निश दिन जात न जान, सुत स्नेह बस माता बाल चरित करगा. प्रेम मगन कौशल्या, filled with love Mata Kaushalya nish din jaat na jaan. All day and all night she is engaged in the seva of Bhagavan Shri Ram. She takes care of him, she bathes him, she clothes him, she feeds him. In those days, when you are the king or the queen, you have many servants, alag alag dasiya hai, who do different things for you. They take care of your children also. Even in our time, you have maids who can look after your children. Like Mata Kaushalya, wo sabko mana karti hai. Nobody else does the seva of Bhagavan Shri Ram apart from the three queens of Raja Dasharath. Mata Kaikeyi और माता सुमित्रा भी बहुत सेवा करती है. As माता कौशल्या बाल चरित कर गान पूरा आनंद लेती है. Devotees, sometimes in life, when we experience happiness, it is not for a very long time. Sometimes you struggle for many, many years, and then you get 2 years of happiness, 4 years of happiness. If you are very lucky, then out of your 80 years, you will get 10 years of happiness. Anyone getting more than 10 years of happiness, तो आप तो महाभागी हो. You are very fortunate and you have done some great satkarma in your last birth. Otherwise, people have very difficult lives. They struggle with poverty, they struggle with sickness, they struggle with family problems. Mata Kaushalya, she waited her entire life for these 5 years when Bhagavan Shri Ram will do Bal Leela in Ayodhya. Tulsidas ji कहते हैं, one day, to reward Mata Kaushalya for her love, Bhagavan Shri Ram did a very special Leela with her. एक बार जननी अनवाए
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम.
कड़ी श्रृंगार पलने ना पराए.
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम.
बोलो श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. निज कुलेष्ट देव भगवाना श्री राम जय राम
जय जय राम.
पूजा है तू कीन असनाना. श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. बोलो श्री राम जय राम. श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. निज कुल इष्ट देव भगवाना. Mata Kaushalya, every day she does her puja to her Nij Kul Isht. In Bharat, we have Gram Dev, Kul Dev, Isht Dev. In Caribbean, maybe we have forgotten, only we have Isht Dev. But there is a Devi or Devata for our village, for our city, then we have one for our family, then we have a personal Ishta Dev. The Ishta Devata of Mata Kaushalya, of the entire Raghuvansh, was Shri Ranganath Bhagavan, Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. And every morning, she will go and do his seva, she will wash this murti, she will bathe with Panchamritam, she will wipe it, she will put chandan, sindur, tilak, pushpa, prasad, naivedya, dravya dakshana, sugandhit dravya. She will offer all of these things. Bandhuo, jis ghar mein mata puja nahi karti, in that home where the mother does not do the puja, to us ghar mein bade durbhagya hai. The mother performing puja in a home holds that home together. Patidev ko saubhagya milta hai aur bachche ko ashirvad. The husband gets good fortune and the children get ashirvad, they get the blessings of Bhagavan. Even if the father is too busy to perform puja, Mata ko avashya puja karni chahiye. Every day should she perform puja to Bhagavan. Ek baar janani anvahe. Mata Kaushalya goes one day, and as she is performing this puja, ant mein naivedya chadhate hai. At the end of this puja, you offer prasad, naivedyam. We have a very special naivedyam we make in Guyana. We call it milk cream. How do you make it? I'm asking you, Gauri. You know cook anything? The one I'm asking doesn't know how to cook. I have to ask Mataji. It is different from peda, different from halwa, different from parsad. This naivedyam that we make, this milk cream, it is very, very beautiful. Mata Kaushalya, as she offers this to Ranganath Bhagavan, Twadiyang Vastu Govindam Tubhyamev Samarpayet. As she offers this prasad, Tulsidas ji kehte hain, Chaupai. करी पूजा नैवेद्य चढ़ावा, करी पूजा नैवेद्य चढ़ावा, आप गई जह पाक बनावा। राम सिया राम
सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम।
बहुरी मातु तहवा चली आई, बहुरी मातु तहवा चली आई, भोजन करत देखी सुत जाई।
राम सिया राम जय जय राम,
राम सिया राम जय जय राम, सिया राम जय जय राम। कड़ी पूजा नैवेद्य चढ़ावा, आपू गई जह पाक बनावा। Mata Kaushalya, as she offers this naivedyam to Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, she just turns to place this thali by the sink, and as she is cleaning these utensils, as she turns and faces the murti of Bhagavan again, ready to offer her mantra pushpanjali, Mata Kaushalya ne dekhi, bahuri matu tahava chali aayi. Try to remember Bhagavan Shri Ram abhi shishu hai. He is just a little baby. Forget about walking. He can't even turn onto his own side. Mata Kaushalya sees Bhagavan Shri Ram sitting at the altar. And what is he doing? Bhojan karat dekhi sut jai. Bhojan karat dekhi sut jai. Bhagavan Shri Ram is sitting. He is looking at Mata Kaushalya. He is smiling. And he is picking up this naivedyam with both of his hands. And he is eating it and rubbing it all over his face. Mata Kaushalya ko bahut ascharya laga. She is very surprised because she has just placed Bhagavan Shri Ram to sleep in the cradle. वो तो अपने कमरे में है. He is in his own room. This devalaya, this mandir is in a different part of the palace. Mata Kaushalya immediately daud lagai. She runs to the room of Bhagavan Shri Ram. Ram Siya Ram Jai Jai Ram.
Ram Siya Ram jai jai Ram।
इहा उहा दुई बालक देखा, इहा उहा दुई बालक देखा, मति ब्रह्म मोर की आन विशेषा।
राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम।
देखी राम जननी अकुलानी,
देखी राम जननी अकुलानी,
प्रभु हसी दीन मधुर मुस्कानी।
राम सिया राम जय जय राम।
ओ बोलो राम सिया राम जय जय राम। Ma Kaushalya thought to herself, Mati Brahma Mor ki An Bisesha. Maybe in my old age, my mind is going. Maybe I forgot that I picked up Bhagavan Sri Ram and brought him with me and did this puja. Ma, as she goes to the cradle of Bhagavan Sri Ram, Hirday Kampa Man Dheer na hoi, her heart is beating very fast. Have you ever lost your baby? How fast does your heart beat? When you thought you left him in one room, and then he's not in that room, and then you realize you put him somewhere else. Mata Kaushalya, when she goes, Dekhi Ram Janani Akhulani. But then she sees Bhagavan Sri Ram in the cradle. Bhagavan Sri Ram opens his eyes and looks at her. Just a little baby. He can't even sit on his own. Mata Kaushalya becomes very worried and very surprised. When Bhagavan Sri Ram sees the face of Mata with so much tension, Prabhu hasi deen madhur musukani. Bhagavan Sri Ram madhur musukani. He smiles at Mata Kaushalya. O teri mand mand musukaniya pe, teri mand mand musukaniya pe, बलिहार राघव जी, ओ बलिहार राघव जी. एक बार गुरुदेव ने कहा, the most powerful weapon that Bhagavan Sri Ram possesses. भगवान कृष्ण के पास सुदर्शन चक्र है, लेकिन राघव के पास ये मुस्कान है. Bhagavan Sri Ram has this smile that can destroy the defenses of even the most terrible enemies as they fall in love with him. As Bhagavan Sri Ram smiles at Mata Kaushalya, Dekh Rava Matahi Nij Adbhut Roop Akhand, Rom Rom Prati Lage, Koti Koti Brahmand. सियावर राम चंद्र की जय. Mata Kaushalya goes back to her altar room, and there Bhagavan Sri Ram, पहले जब दोनों हाथ से नैवेद्य खा रहा था, now he stands there as a little child, लेकिन शंख चक्र गदा पद्म. He stands with 4 arms, holding all of his divine instruments and divine weapons. Bhagavan Sri Ram, as he smiles at Mata Kaushalya, Adbhut Roop Akand, he shows her his Virat Roop. He shows her this most powerful form. Ma Kaushalya ne kya dekhi? Rom Rom Prati Lage. As all of the hairs on her hands start to stand, she sees Koti Koti Brahmand. Thousands and thousands, millions of different universes. Bhagavan Shri Vishnu pura ek brahmand nahi, koti koti brahmand dikhaye. We are living in one universe. Bhagavan Vishnu shows her millions and millions of universes. Mata Kaushalya. Bandhu, you cannot imagine what it is like to see this form of Bhagavan Shri Ram, Bhagavan Shri Krishna, जिसको हम विराट स्वरूप बताते हैं. It is incomprehensible, beyond explanation, and most incredibly beautiful. Mata Kaushalya, when she sees this most powerful form of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, for so many years she has been worshipping Shri Ranganath Bhagavan, and today Shri Hari ne kripa karke darshan karaye. As he shows her this most powerful form, Ma Kaushalya ke paas shabd nahi hai. She does not even have the words to say to Bhagavan. When there is nothing that you can say to Bhagavan, to us pal mein aap keval pranam karo. All you have to do is bow to him. Bow to him, and that is enough, devotees. मारो प्रणाम बांके बिहारी जी, मारो प्रणाम. Ma Kaushalya, in her old age, she performs Dandavat Pranam to Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Dandavat Pranam means when you lie flat onto the ground and you extend your hands in front of you. Banke Bihari Ji. As she bows to him, मन में मान ने संकल्प किए, हे भगवान, आपको स्तुति करने के लिए मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है. All I can see is how beautiful you are. मैं आपको प्रणाम करती हूँ. You cannot believe how beautiful Bhagavan Shri Vishnu is in this form. Mor mukut mathya tilak viraja. Mor mukut, his beautiful crown, tilak mathya, this beautiful chandan tilak on his forehead. Kundal Ailekakari ji. As she sees the beautiful earrings, his beautiful ears, his nose, his kamal jaise, the eyes that are beautiful like lotus flowers. Kundal Ailekakari ji maro pranam. Hey Banke Bihari Lal. She bows to Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, Bhagavan Shri Ram, as she does Dandavat Pranam. Aganit Ravi Shashi Shiv Chaturanand. Aganit Ravi Shashi Shiv Chaturanand. Bahugiri Sarit Sindhu Mahikanand. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama. Bolo Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama. Bhagavan Shri Vishnu reaches down and picks up Mata Kaushalya. As she stands in front of him, she says, Bhagavan, astuti kari na jai bhay mana. Jagat pita main sut kari jana. Ma Kaushalya says, Bhagavan, kshama kijiye. If I have ever done any mistakes, Prabhu, the one who is the father of the entire world, Jagat Pita Main Sut Kari Jana. The one who is the father of this entire world, I have been treating him like a little baby. Hey Bhagavan, अगर मुझसे कोई अपराध हो गया तो कृपया क्षमा कीजिए. Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, Hari Janani Bahuvidhi Samujai. Then Bhagavan Vishnu smiles and he says, Ma, you have made no mistakes. I only showed you this form because I have come onto this Prithvi Lok for a very specific Leela. और आप मुझसे बहुत प्रेम करती हो. You love me very much. The love that you have for me, the love that Raja Dasharath has for me. I have never seen this kind of love before. I have never experienced this kind of love before. Ma, the day will come when I will have to leave Ayodhya, when I will have to go into Banvas. Bhagavan Shri Ram, Bhagavan Shri Vishnu explains to Mata Kaushalya, on that day aapko bahut dukh milega. You will feel great pain and great sadness and great sorrow. On that day, Raja Dasharath, unable to bear this pain, वो प्राण त्याग देंगे. He will give up his life. लेकिन माँ, you cannot give up your life in that moment. Ask yourselves the question, ज़्यादा प्रेम कौन करते हैं, माता करते या पिता करते हैं? Who loves the child the most, the mother or the father? If when Bhagavan Shri Ram leaves Ayodhya to go into Banvas, Raja Dasharath प्राण छोड़ सकते हैं तो माता कौशल्या क्यों नहीं छोड़ सकती है? Why can she not give up her life like Raja Dasharath gave his life? But Bhagavan Sri Ram says, Ma, I can bear the passing of Raja Dasharath, but I will not be able to bear the passing of you, my mother. If I am in Banvas और मेरे कारण से आपने प्राण छोड़ दिए माँ, so I will not be able to remain here on Prithvi Lok. मैं भी तुरंत प्राण छोड़ दूंगा. I will also leave this body and stop this leela and return to Vaikuntha Dham. Because of me, my mother has given up her life. ये तो महा अपराध हो जाएगा. इसलिए माँ, this is why I have shown you this form today. This is why I have explained all of this to you. But when the moment comes, you must remain strong. Even if no one else will be able to understand. Even if Raja Dasharath Chakravarti Samrat will not be able to feel this pain, he will give up his life. But you have to remain and feel this pain and bear this pain and wait for me to return from Banvas. बार बार कौशल्या विनय करे कर जोरी अब जन कबहु व्यापे प्रभु मोहि माया तोरी. माता कौशल्या says, हे भगवान, तो फिर मुझे वरदान दीजिए. Give me a वरदान, give me a boon. प्रभु मोहि माया तोरी अब जनि कबहु व्यापे. Will your maya never delude me again? May I always see the world for what it is. I will always see that Param Satya and recognize your Leela, Bhagavan. इसलिए पूरा रामचरित मानस में everybody sees Bhagavan Sri Ram as the perfect son, as the perfect king, as the perfect husband, as the perfect warrior, the perfect friend. But Mata Kaushalya sees him as Parabrahma, Jagat Pita, Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, Shri Hari, Shriman Narayan. She is the only one who is aware that Bhagavan Shri Ram is in fact Bhagavan, Ishwar hai. Bolo Siyavar Ramachandra Bhagavan ki jai. As we conclude our katha this morning, let us all join and sing the name of Bhagavan Shri Ram once more. Jai Raghunandan Jai Siya Ram. 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 He Dukh Bhanjan Tumhi Pranam. हे जानकी वल्लभ तुम्हें प्रणाम. जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम. हे भगवान, आप दीन बंधु भक्त वत्सल दया सागर हो नाथ. You are the one who is the ocean of compassion. तुम ही दया के सागर प्रभु जी. तुम ही दया के सागर प्रभु जी. तुम ही पालनहारी. चैन तुम्ही से पाए वे कल मनवा साज सवारे. जो भी तुम्हारे आस लगाए. जो भी तुम्हारी आस लगाए. बने उसी के काम. जय रघुनंदन जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम. राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। ओ राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। ओ राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। ओ राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। ओ राम राम जय सीताराम, ओ राम नाम जय सीताराम। व्यापक ब्रह्म निरंजन, निर्गुण विगत विनोद, सो अज प्रेम भगति बस, कौशल्या के गोद। बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय।